is kitchen cabinets that we painted we started painting probably 10 days ago. We sanded the cabinets. You can see even the color, the original color here. The clients ask us not to touch the inside of the cabinets. We sanded the cabinets, we primed it 1 coat, and we sprayed 2 coats. And the reason that we sprayed it is we don't want to see the wood veins. So we removed the door, we sanded them, we primed them, and then we painted them. 2 coats, beautiful finish. It's a washable paint. You can just take a rag if it's getting dirty and clean it. The reason that we sanded it is to make the surface porous, that we can prime and the paint will penetrate and it will not come off after a few years. I've seen some other companies don't sand and they prime directly into the stain and then the paint come off. So we sand first, making it porous, prime it 1 coat and then paint it 2 coats. All the cabinets, we use 2 colors. We use like a off-white for all the cabinets and light blue on the island. All the island has got a different color. I think we showed the client some picture from a magazine and they loved it. Project is not completed, but we are like 90% there. We fill up all the gaps. It used to be big gaps between the molding and the cabinets. We filled up the gaps. It's very smooth, industrial finish. It's like everything is industrial finish here. Like you see how smooth it is. We change all the handles. The handles are brand new handles. The hinges, we also install brand new hinges and brand new handles. Easy to open. Yeah, looks beautiful. Just here they saved themselves, who knows, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on the brand new kitchen cabinets. It's so much economic, so much makes sense to paint it if the cabinets are in a good condition. Yeah, brand new cabinets like this size in a house can cost easy. With the countertop, can go between $25,000 to $30,000. So yeah, it's a big saving here. So yeah, this is the kitchen cabinets project.